YouTube, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Guess what, guys? We are doing some work right here. I have these, it's called a protective valve. Yeah, I think it's called a protective brake valve. It goes right under here where you connect the red and blue airline. What is happening is when I press on the brake, keeps leaking air from the blue airline. So I've been told that this is where the air is coming from. This thing needs to be replaced. So I got one, a new one. It's right here. So I'm gonna be replacing that one. It's a simple fix, but I think I'm gonna get dirty. So yeah, right now I took off the here we go. Both lines are out. So I just need to get under there and hook all those lines. I don't know whether you're able to see. There we go. I need to get those 4 airlines. And then after that, there are 2 boats right here. Under there too. Yep, I just loosened those up, take it down and put the other one back on. And I think we should be good. So let's go ahead and do that. Just got off work about an hour ago. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that so that tomorrow I can relax. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay. So here we are. We got the airlines out. And now I just need to unscrew these 2 bolts. And that thing is just gonna go. Boom. And then I think I need to take off those fittings right there. Hopefully that won't be a problem to take them off. So yep, let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty. Yep, this is the bad boy. This is the bad boy, guys. So yep, we're gonna be taking these fittings off and putting it on the new one. Let's see if it's gonna match. Let's see, give me a second. So this is it. This matches. Yep, we got the correct part. So let's go ahead and take those fittings off and putting them on this thing. And yeah, we should be done in a minute. So we took off one fitting and we're putting it back. I don't have the right tools, but this adjustable wrench will work. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, we got it. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. I'm so happy. I was scared that I was gonna mess up the edges. Don't want to go to Freightliner this weekend. So we got it. The third fittings is out. And that one is gonna go right here. Boom. Okay, there we go. Some of these things, guys, you can do by yourselves if you're a trucker. Because if you had to call a road service to come and do this, or you go to a mechanic, they're gonna charge you maybe $200 to $300. This thing I bought it $90, you know. Yeah, you just have to, some of these things, you have to do it yourself. Otherwise, I'm telling you, you're just going to be spending a lot of money for stuff that you can do yourself, you know. You just make sure that it's tight. There's no air leaking from there. Yeah. That should do it. And the last one, this one. Okay, So I got all the fittings right there, guys. The next thing what I'm gonna do is putting these quick release valves right there. See, there we go. And then the other one, you put it right there. Let me go ahead and just finish just tightening up this one. That way I don't have to I should have enough space. Let's see here. Oh, my goodness. Woo. Yeah, but wow. Ooh. Man, I pinched myself. That should be nice. And then this one. It doesn't have to be too tight. And there we go. So this is complete. This is the old one. We're gonna discard this one. Let's put this back and check if we fixed the problem or not. Okay, I saw this on YouTube, guys. YouTube. Yeah, I was leaking air. I was like, where's that air coming from? And then I went to YouTube. They were like, 99.9%. This is where the problem is coming from. So let's go ahead and put this back. And I don't know whether you're able to see me, guys, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and tightening this thing. The camera is a little bit low, but forgive me. I don't have a cameraman. Yep. There we go. It's going in. It's going in. Should be done in a minute. There we go. There's one more thing that I forgot. This Allen key here. I mean this thing right here. You need an Allen key. So let's go inside the truck and try to find the right Allen key so that we can let's see, will this one work? No. This is too small. We should be able to find one inside the truck. Let's go and find out. Okay. So I think we got the right Allen key right here. So we're gonna be putting it right there. Hold on. So yep, we found Allen key. I think we found that, and hopefully this is gonna work. See here. So let's try. Oh no, this thing is just rotating in there, so this is small. I think I found the right Allen key. So let's see if we're gonna be able to my goodness. Oh, finally. Woo, managed it. There we go. This is the bad boy we needed, guys. Boom. So we're gonna put this back right there. Oh my God, let me show you guys. Right here. This is where we're gonna be putting that bad boy. Ooh, I lost it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I found it. Ooh. So here we go. I plugged it in. Yeah, I'm putting it right there. Now I just need to make it tighter. Yeah, there we go. Come on. It can't just be easy. Oh my God, I need to tighten this thing. Press it. Ooh. Let me try and take this off. This thing won't move. And this is the only thing. Let me see here. Let me try this one. Maybe this one is gonna work. There we go. We got it, guys. There we go. Hopefully that should do it. I plugged it in. Let's crank the truck and see. I don't know whether I need to put the airlines first or not. I don't know. Let me crank it first and then we'll find out. So I just cranked the truck. Let's go ahead and press on the brakes and see if we're gonna hear any air leaking. But so far, I don't know. Let's go inside. Let's see. If I press the brakes and I hear the air leaking there, then I don't know. Guys, I'm a mechanic, guys. You see? It's not leaking at all. Wow, I'm impressed. So that's how you do it. So next time, if you're a trucker and you notice that when you press on the brakes, you hear the air coming out of your airlines, you should know that, ouch, ow, 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 ow. That hammer, oh my God. The hammer, ooh, the hammer fell on my toes, guys. Anyway, yeah, if you're applying brakes and then you hear an air leak from the back of your truck, it's gonna come out of the blue line. Just know the problem is the protection valve. There it is. I fixed it, guys. No more air leaks. Got it. Woohoo! There we go. Let's go. So here we go, guys. We are putting back on the lines. We put the blue ones. The blue one is in. Now we're gonna be putting on the red one. You see it? There we go. You just twist it. Twisting it. Okay. There we go. And then there we go. Oh my goodness. You know what? I was supposed to be relaxing at home, being on Friday today, guys. But I guess not. After this, my daughter just called me. I think she has like a party where she wants to go. And she ordered shoes. She's at work right now. From where I am to her work, it's about 45 minutes, maybe, yeah, good 45, 30 minutes. And she wants me to go drop off the shoes. So no more, I mean, like, no relaxing weekend for me. I thought maybe I'll go home, start watching TV or something like that, eating some peanuts and stuff like that. I guess it's not gonna happen. But anyway, you have to. That's what you got to do as the father, right? So, yeah. So we are done, guys. No more air leaks. Cool. So let me hang this right here and we're going home. So next time you have a leak and you don't know where it's coming from, especially when you press on the brake, check the lines, guys. If the air is coming from this blue line, this is the culprit right here. It's a protection valve. It sits under your driver's side. This is a Columbia Freightliner 2. Okay then, till next time. Peace out, yo. I love you guys. Bye.